Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add glitch effect in Canva. Right now, as you can see, I have selected a blank template and now we are going to add an image. So we are going to click on elements in the left side toolbar. Now here we are going to search for an image. So I am just searching for man, and here I am just selecting this image from the photos, and you can select as per your convenience. You can also upload your image, right? Okay, now we are going to edit this image, so we are going to click on the edit, and here you need to scroll down in the left side toolbar itself and you will find an option of apps. You just need to click on see all apps, right? Here you can search for Slice and you will find this app and you can simply install it, right? So open, and here you will find like 4 to 5 effects, and I'm going to click on sliced. Here you can increase the offset, right? You can increase the counts of slice, right? Whatever you want. You can also decrease the offset in case if you don't want much glitch, right? You can increase and decrease the position as well, where you want your glitch to be appear, right? On the basis of that, you can simply select the position where you want your glitch to appear, right? So I have increased the position of this glitch. You can also reduce or whatever as per your requirement, right? You can also increase or decrease the counts as per your requirement, right? Similarly, we are going to add a text also in this glitch, but before that you can simply go to the elements and search for a glitch image, right? Okay, our effect has been removed because we have not saved, so let's again add the slice. You can also use this mined, right? Let's save it and go back to the elements and search for glitch. And here in the photos you will find some good glitch photos, right? Whatever you like the most, you can simply add that particular glitch. Here I am going to add glitch, this kind of glitch. You can also select it from graphics as well, right? Graphics also are very much good. You can make them duplicate if required. Similarly, let me add one photo as well. Let's look whether photo works or not. It would work fine if the background is also similar, right? Else it would not work much fine. So let us remove the background first, and now we will apply this image as background, right? Now we can write text glitch, and we can also change the font effects. We can use the glitch effect as well. Let's make the size of this text a little bit more, right? You can change the glitch color as well as the offset and the direction where you want this particular colors to be, and this is how you can easily make the glitch effect in your photos, right? Apart from that, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. So this is how you can simply create a glitch effect, right? And on the basis of directions, you can simply change the direction, and you can also increase or decrease the offset. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.